So SEM here, scanning electron microscope. Scanning electron microscope. So it is used to see the nanoparticles 10 power minus 9 meters. So in this case it has electron gun. So this electron gun produces a beam of electron and it has to be accelerated. So we use positive anode. Now the size of the electron beam has to be decreased. So it is decreased by condenser lens 1 and condenser lens 2. Finally it passes through, we can say, scanning coil. This scanning coil is very important. It will deflect the electron beam, because in scanning we have to move from, say, one side to another side, or from right side to left side, or left side to right side. So we have to change the deflection. So we use scanning coil. So it is deflecting the electron beam. Now it falls on the objective lens. So objective lens further decreases the size of the electron beam to a point size. You can say to a point size like this, okay, to a point size, and finally it falls on the sample. The object which we need to see, the nano object. Now the image of this object, you can say, especially the upper part, because it will scan the surface, the upper part of the surface. The image of this sample exists with the three things. One is reflected, so reflected electron beam, the electron beam gets reflected, and so when electrons falls on the surface, from the atoms, it removes the electrons. So the electrons in the outermost orbit, the electrons in the outermost orbit will fall from higher energy level to lower energy level, so they may emit X-rays. Okay, so the X-rays may have the information, or sometimes the electron beam removes the electrons from the atoms. So these are secondary electrons. So the reflected electron beam, the electrons removed from the atoms, secondary electrons, and the X-rays which are produced, they have got all the information of the image. So this information can be seen in the computer, by using the camera. We can take the image and we can see in the computer monitor.